Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide likes and views on Facebook. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Then you want to go ahead and click on the lower right corner. Then you want to go on the upper right and click on the gear icon. When you're at your settings and privacy, you want to scroll down to the section Preferences. Over here you want to click on the second option, which is Reaction Preferences. When you're over here, you essentially will be able to change first option, which is the post of other people's likes and view counts, if you want to be visible or invisible. This means that when somebody posts a picture or a video, and if you have this function on, you're not going to be able to see how many people like, how many people comment, how many people share, and how many people view the video. If you choose the second option, every time when you publish picture or video, you're going to be the only person who will know exactly how many people watched the video, how many people like it, and how many people commented. Essentially, with this function over here, you choose what to remain public or private on the reaction section. This simply will hide the engagement of each of the posts on you or on your friends. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.